What up, y'all? It's your girl Taliah Jenee, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So I'm doing my voiceover outside today, and I think we'll be okay. Y'all, it just feels so amazing outside. It's about to storm, and I love that time of weather, but let's go ahead and get into the video. So we needed to clean our AC unit. It was filthy. It was hot in the house. The past few years, we've had to call the HVAC people to come out and make sure our AC unit was working fine, and it has been. And so we just went ahead and cleaned it ourselves this time just to see. We've never opened it up. I didn't even know this is what they even look like on the inside, so I learned something new. So we first started off by taking the panels off, and then the top is connected to the bottom, so we just stuck a piece of wood in there to be able to keep it open so we could see. So here we started using the sprayer, and what's inside the bottle is the mean green, and I will link the sprayer and the mean green in the description box, but that's what we used for the cleaner, and I thought it worked pretty well. While we let the cleaner set, I went ahead and started spraying down the panels. Now, we didn't use the cleaner on the panels. I just used the water hose, but the water hose was fine. It got them all cleaned up. After we let the mean green sit, now it is time to rinse everything off. And what's crazy is we did all of this work, right? Well, the AC unit works fine. So we did call the HVAC guys out, and they pretty much just told us that if a piece of paper is blowing, then your AC unit is running fine. And it was. He did, however, ask, did we do any renovations on the house? And of course we have. Y'all have seen some of those. And he said that we needed more insulation in the attic. And since we changed up some of the house, the way that the ductwork was set up, it was for how it was previously built. So now that we've changed the inside of the home, the ductwork needed to follow the new design of the house pretty much. And he was also saying that our attic didn't have enough insulation in it, so that's why our house is pretty much holding heat during the summer. If it's really hot outside, like in the 85 and up range, the inside of the house will get up to about 75, 76 degrees, and that is hot, and it just takes a long time for it to drop back down to 71, 72 where we keep it. And so it will be well into 10 o'clock at night before the temps regulate again throughout the house. But I am glad we got everything situated and figured out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.